Hey audio enthusiasts! Today we're unboxing the V25 2.5-inch full-range speaker system. The power rating is 20 WRMS with a max of 60 W, so it can handle both regular listening and those times you want to crank up the volume. Got a great pick for upgrading your car audio. Let's see what it offers. First, these speakers come as a pair. They're perfect for GM, Jeep, Chrysler, Subaru, and Toyota vehicles, and speaker fitment adapters are included, so installation is a breeze. Looking at the build, they feature a responsive treated paper cone and a cloth surround, which help in delivering clear sound. And the nominal impedance is 4 ounces. The Strontium Ferrite Woofer Magnet enhances the audio performance, and the powder-coated, rigid stamped steel basket ensures durability. Now, the specs that matter. The frequency response is 85 Hz to 20 kHz, covering a wide range from deep bass to crisp highs. In terms of size, the mounting depth is 32 millimeters. This dimension make it a good fit for many car setups. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio, the V25 is worth checking out. It combines quality build features and solid specs to enhance your listening experience. Stay tuned for more unboxings and audio tips. Catch you next time.